In a bold move signaling a significant leap forward in Malaysia's technological landscape, Huawei has announced its intention to train 30,000 Malaysian professionals, marking a pivotal step in the country's efforts to cultivate a homegrown AI workforce. This initiative not only underscores Huawei's commitment to fostering the local AI ecosystem, but also aligns with Malaysia's broader digital strategy, aimed at enhancing its technological infrastructure. During the Huawei Cloud AI Ecosystem Summit APAC 2025, Malaysian Digital Minister Gobind Singh Deo highlighted the importance of inclusivity in the AI Talent Development Initiative, stressing that technological progress should be accessible to all. Productivity driven by AI must be a benefit for every Malaysian, ensuring that no one is left behind. It is imperative that we prioritize inclusiveness and collaboration, he stated at the summit, which was part of the larger ASEAN AI Malaysia Summit. The minister illustrated that technological advancements should yield tangible advantages across all sectors, from providing cloud services to small and medium enterprises, to utilizing AI for diagnostics in underserved healthcare clinics. Huawei's stronghold in infrastructure is pivotal to this talent strategy, as it reinforces its role as a leading cloud provider in the region. Recognition by industry analysts like Gartner adds weight to this commitment. In August 2025, Huawei was prominently placed in the Leaders Quadrant of Gartner's Magic Quadrant for Container Management, an acknowledgement of its substantial investments and expertise in the field of Cloud Native 2.0. This standing significantly enhances Huawei's ability to support Malaysia's AI objectives. Its range of container products, such as CCE Turbo, CCE Autopilot, and Cloud Container Instance (CCI), is designed to facilitate cloud-native infrastructures tailored for managing extensive container workloads across public, hybrid, and edge environments. Simon Sun, CEO of Huawei Technologies Malaysia, delineated the initiative's scope, mentioning that it aims to cultivate various professionals, including students, government officials, industry leaders, and think tanks. Our goal is to foster 30,000 talented individuals in the Malaysian AI sector over the next 3 years, Sun declared, addressing an audience of around 300 regional delegates. Huawei Cloud's robust technical capabilities place it in an ideal position to aid Malaysia's development of a skilled AI workforce. Its operation spans a global network that includes 34 regions and 101 availability zones, with a concentrated focus on the APAC area where it operates 5 regions and 17 availability zones. Such infrastructure is crucial for minimizing latency, which is particularly important for AI applications. The platform supports over 160 open-source models via its AI cloud service, providing versatile solutions tailored to various industries. Central to this offering are Huawei's Pangu models, which facilitate a range of vertical-specific AI solutions for sectors like manufacturing, healthcare, and transport. During her presentation, titled Leap to Cloud, Heading to AI, Li Yin, CTO of Huawei Cloud Enterprise Intelligence, discussed the practical implications of these capabilities. She provided insights into Huawei Cloud's collaborations across more than 30 industries, where AI solutions have been implemented in over 500 different scenarios. The Talent Development Program builds upon Huawei's existing ICT Academy and AI Talent Development Plan, initiatives that the digital minister praised for generating a skilled workforce equipped with practical, industry-relevant skills. Moreover, Huawei is set to foster 200 local AI partners through knowledge sharing and collaboration on cloud solutions with leading AI firms. This initiative will not only promote investments in AI within Malaysia, but will also assist in the birth of new local AI enterprises through strategic alliances with domestic players. The evolution of Huawei's cloud-native 2.0 technology, which is designed to be AI integrated, serves to bolster Malaysia's ambitions in artificial intelligence. The company is advancing the next-generation AI-native cloud infrastructure, which is spearheaded by the integration of advanced AI technologies. Significant innovations, such as CCE AI clusters, lay the groundwork for next-gen cloud-native infrastructures. Providing efficient management tools like Cloud Matrix 384 supernodes, which offer optimized scheduling and accelerated AI performance. Furthermore, Huawei has introduced CCE Duo, an intelligent tool that streamlines the entire container lifecycle with AI insights and diagnostics, capable of resolving over 200 critical issues with high accuracy. At the Huawei Summit, Shamsul Izan Abdul Majid, head of Malaysia's National AI Office, outlined the country's AI priorities, providing crucial insights for private sector collaborators, while maintaining distinct public and private sector initiatives. Notably, Huawei's talent initiative coincides with the launch of Malaysia's National Cloud Computing Policy, NCCP, which lays out a comprehensive framework for cloud adoption, supporting the development of AI capacities. This policy aims to position Malaysia as a global cloud computing hub by 2030, emphasizing innovation, security, sustainability, and inclusivity. Minister Gobind stated that constructing an AI nation under the 13th Malaysia Plan requires an integrated approach that enhances infrastructure, bolsters security, and develops local talent, where collaboration is essential in realizing these aims. While focusing on infrastructure, security, and talent, we have much to learn from our regional partners and other countries about their developmental strategies in the industrial sector, the outcomes they have achieved, and the challenges they overcame, he noted. The initiative targeting Malaysia's AI talent development seeks to harness existing applications where AI is already playing a transformative role. Sun referenced various areas requiring skilled professionals, such as detecting fraudulent activities in banking, predictive maintenance in manufacturing, streamlining supply chain logistics, and personalizing education in schools. Huawei's approach focuses on local partnerships, ensuring global expertise is leveraged in ways that cater to the unique requirements of the ASEAN region. The company showcased how its AI-native cloud infrastructure, collaboratively built with local partners, exemplifies how alliances can promote comprehensive upgrades across different sectors. The digital minister stressed the critical need for governance and regulatory frameworks to ensure that AI's integration remains safe and sustainable, especially as Malaysia increasingly relies on data-driven systems. Building a nation heavily dependent on data and data centers means we cannot afford outages that could disrupt all underlying sectors that depend on them, Gobind cautioned, underscoring the importance of robust infrastructure and security protocols. The government's strategy includes developing adaptable policies and legislation that can evolve alongside technological advancements, while prioritizing safety and security. A recently established National AI Office has engaged with 6 sectors and identified 55 potential AI use cases to address. This initiative not only bears local significance, but also has broader implications for the ASEAN region, a zone currently facing a shortage in skilled AI professionals. Huawei's investment in local talent, supported by its recognized infrastructure leadership, could well position Malaysia as a regional hub for AI expertise, potentially attracting further technological investments and partnerships. We must act now. It is essential to envision how to nurture an ecosystem that ensures Malaysia is prepared when new technologies emerge in the next 5 years, Gobind concluded, accentuating the urgency of being ready for rapid technological evolution. Huawei's commitment to talent development, coupled with Malaysia's evolving digital policy framework, signals a transformative step toward nurturing domestic AI capabilities, while concurrently fostering strategic alliances with international technology pioneers. The success of these initiatives will hinge on effective execution, and ensuring that the advantages flow to all layers of Malaysian society. If you're eager to dive deeper into the realms of cybersecurity and cloud technology, alongside industry leaders, don't miss the Cybersecurity Cloud Expo, scheduled to take place in Amsterdam, California, and London. For more insights into upcoming enterprise tech events and webinars organized by TechForge, visit TechForge Events.